Mike from Slow Speed. We got Kat. Nice hat, Kat.
Thank you.
Nah, you keep it on. Today, what are we doing today?
Install our new filter because my car is
Our new filter? No. We're gonna install Kat's new filter that was provided. Where'd you get this filter from, Kat?
Slow Speed.
Kat doesn't know where she got this filter from because I paid for it. Okay? It's a cabin air filter. Where's this go, Kat?
But I thought it went
They gonna see what you
in the
thought.
thing, yeah, because you're gonna put it in.
Flashbacks.
What's step number 1, Kat?
Pop your hood, pull the thing once,
Uh-huh.
and find the latch right under.
Okay, pop the hood.
Right? You have to find the latch,
Uh-huh.
Once you find the latch, it's right here, I'm gonna show you guys. The latch is right there. Keep looking shit.
Are you positive that the cabin air filter goes under the hood?
I'm feeling really this. I'm embarrassed. I'm fucking embarrassed. I just told you I don't know where it goes.
It goes in the car,
Oh, in it?
Yeah.
The actual, where?
not in the hood.
Come on, Nelson, I told you. I look stupid. I feel stupid. I'm stupid.
So, but this goes underneath the glove compartment.
I would have never guessed because I sat there and popped the hood open.
Don't worry, on the older BMWs, they do go underneath the hood, so you're not that far off.
Okay.
Even though you didn't know that even in older BMWs it did, but whatever. I paid like what, $38 for this. I got it on Amazon. Today you're gonna be installing it.
Yes.
What are some of the tools you think you're gonna need?
That.
All right, guys. What you're gonna need is a 10 millimeter, right? 10 millimeter socket, preferably the long one, because it has to fit in the
hole.
Yeah. You need a T20 and you're gonna need a 10. Why did it wobble like that, yo? You need the car. We're gonna show you guys where it's at. The cabin filter. And why are you changing this again? Because your car smells like feet.
Yeah, it's supposed to get.
Wow, would you look at that?
Get
My leg
down on
got
the
stuck.
ground.
All right, what do you want me to do next, man? What do you want me to do next?
Under here there's a bolt. There's a 10 millimeter right here, and there should be one right here.
You want to unscrew it right now?
No?
Please.
I'll do it. Wait a minute, pull down your thing first.
What thing? Oh, my light system?
Yeah. All right, now pull it down. See?
So once you get this popped down, with the help of Mike, you gotta take out the adapter thingy, and then it comes right out. So you will find the screws right here. 1, 2, not these. And of course, unplug the little thing from this. Well, do you have to take it off?
Yeah, just pull it
Alright,
off.
so yeah, get it out the way,
And they
set it
just pop
aside.
5, 6, and the 7 series, it's actually 2 separate pieces. This comes off a little separately. The airbag is actually located under there too, the knee airbag. So don't go mess around with too many wires back there or else kaboom. And I don't know. That might not be good for you. There's two screws. One right here and the other one's right here. You can see the filter kind of curves a little bit. So we're gonna take off that, the 2 T20s, and Kat is going to pull it down.
One's out.
Oh my, yo, Kat, what the f?
Yo, what happened?
Come look at this.
Can't see. Oh my
Show them
god.
this. This is not
I
my
don't even
car.
want to touch that shit.
It's yours. You breathed it in.
How your filter is not supposed to look. If your car starts smelling like Mike's shoes, if your car starts smelling like terrible, look at the difference. Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah,
It
leaves.
is heavy.
That's because it's dirty. That's
Thanks,
dirt.
Mike.
It's dirt. So now you're gonna put the new one in.
Yes, ma'am.
So essentially you gotta, well, this obviously has to curl when it goes in, but just keep in mind there are arrows right here that point which way the airflow goes. You just match that up. So we both have them pointing down. This is garbage. You bend this and you just put it in like this.
So you have to angle it accordingly. Hold on. Alright. Okay, almost there.
Sorry.
There we go.
Oh,
And it's done.
got it in. You heard that click?
I heard that click. After you put the thing back in the thing, you gotta hear a click. You can start reassembling.
Thing back in the thing.
Yeah. Put the
Oh, yeah.
T20s back into the cover of the filter.
These tabs right here, as you can tell, slide in. So you gotta go right here, this down first, push it in. Make sure the wires aren't in the way, so kind of adjust these first. You could connect this back. It only goes in one way, so you won't screw it up.
I just got what he said.
So we got the cabin filter installed in the car.
Did it.
Let us know where it goes again, Kat.
It goes right here.
Nah, right here, bro.
Oh, my bad, right here.
No, how hard was it?
On a scale of 1 to 5, 2. Only because it was hard because I couldn't get it unscrewed, so I had Mike do it.
Yeah, I might do almost everything. Anyway, now we're done, so Kat's car can smell halfway decent. Me being the sponsor.
Sponsor Slow Speed.
Exactly.
Thank you,
So
Mike.
definitely be sure. There's gonna be a link down where you can pick up your filter and you can change it yourself. $38. You go to the dealership, you're probably gonna pay like a couple hundred or whatever the case may be. They're gonna tell you all kinds of special they did that they probably did. And your car. Anyway, with that being said, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos of Mike and Kat, or Kat and Mike, I don't know how nice that sounds, whatever. You're gonna see more videos of us regardless. It's Mike from Slow Speed. All right. All right. Come on. How's it smell?
Breathable.
Good.
Big difference.
Does it feel colder?
Hell yeah. Put the camera on so they can feel it.
Camera can't feel it.
You guys feel it?
Shout
Any
out.
more suggestions, let us know. We could get something done.
You
Sorry,
just
Mike.
sweat me, bro. Oh yeah, any more suggestions, let them know.
Let us know and we get it done. Right, Nelson?
Shout out to the cameraman right here. Look at that. Look at that. First time on film. Cameraman. Got Miss Kat here.
Sponsored by Mike.
Yo, pull up the camera.
Is it still recording?
Turn my shit off. Oh, there you go.
Is it ready?
It started already.
What up?
Yo, hold
Kat
it.
from Slow Speed. Oh, me?
Yeah. I gotta give you the. See, look.
We out here?
You leave your front over there on the pole side.
Yeah, she got it. Where? Yo, out here with the homie Jenny,
From the block.
with the homie Mike. Yeah, cause you ain't shit.
How was the enemy, the best?
Oh no, alright, it's just Michael now. Wow, you're getting beautiful shots of my face on your camera right now.
Yo, you know Kat's more famous than me?
I know what you're talking about now.
So, wait. So, what's step one? You found the hole?
No.
You just said you found it, though.
Nope. I found it, but it's not holding on.
Oh, yeah, that's not the right size. I don't know what the right size is. I forgot to tell you that.
What?
I don't know either.
What she just
Me
said.
either. I don't know. You probably know more than I do.
I don't think so.
Now, what's up?
What we doing? Guys, what we eating? What we eating?
It's a good kind.
Good time? What you want, Nelson?
You want Nelson?
Suggestions?
Yeah, let Nelson pick.
Yeah, Nelson's still in the street.
It's not my hood, nigga.
It's not my
It's not
hood.
my hood.
either.
I don't know shit about this place.
Any hood. Actually,
I don't know nothing about this neighborhood, my nigga.
Kat brought us out here. You know the Pierres or the Piers, whatever.
Pierre's.
Yeah.
Pierre's.
Ask him to send my plate. Send my plate, Mike?
The Sabri.
Can you send my plate?
Oh, your plate. I was about to say my plate. Fuck.
Yeah, my plate.
Nah. I just realized. English.
Good job?
Yo, you know what they call me at this salad spot that I go to? They call me El Gato Velador. Right?
Wow.
Let me tell you why, right? I Googled it. I know what it means, right? Let me tell you why.